Well, my normal video here, but I had this question from someone on the Bond Performance Facebook page, so I figured what better way to answer it than just shooting a quick video. For those of you who are going to install an OEM TCR for the 7.5 or CSS muffler for the Mark 7, I'm going to show you where the factory did you the solid of adding marks on the exhaust to give you an exact point of where to cut. So this is a 7.5 catback exhaust, and this is a Mark 7 exhaust. You'll notice they're different sizes. This is 60 millimeter, this is 65 millimeter. They're both 65 millimeter before the resonator, but post resonator, the Mark 7 is 65 and the 7.5, so 2018 and newer, are 60 millimeter. So you'll have to buy the corresponding clamp size. But these 6 dimples indicate where the clamp will cover. So aft edge of the clamp, forward edge of the clamp, center line where the cut will be made. So same concept on both. These dimples are on the bottom side of the exhaust. You see the hangers are above them. Larger tips of the 7.5, smaller tips on the Mark 7. So hopefully this will help you guys out, take some guesswork out of your OEM Plus installations. The smaller on the 7.5 and the larger on the Mark 7, just to recap on that. And then of course, if you're doing the OEM fitment resonated mid pipe that I sell to complement your OEM Plus exhaust, it gets cut there as I showed in my previous video, which is marked just by holding the new part up below your old resonator, working with a Sharpie and cutting away. So smash that subscribe button if you haven't. Thanks for checking out my shed here, and hope this helps.